How to log into your Hotmail email. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell today for miss an update. So first of all, open up your web browser. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Microsoft Outlook. Then tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now wait for some time. Then tap on sign in. Again tap on continue to sign in. Again wait for some time. Now enter your Hotmail email. Then tap on next and enter your password. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.